Hi everyone, my name is Okunola. I'm a student, entrepreneur, and a newbie affiliate marketer. I've got products worth up to $1,000 on how I can be able to launch my own digital product and take it to the world. But getting all these courses, watching them seems like a puzzle to me. I don't seem to get all the pieces together, from trying to coming up with your own product, how to locate a winning product, to getting your JVs, putting up your your funnel, guard how to gather JVs and everything like that. It seems like a puzzle to me. I don't seem to get the pieces together. But until I get my hands on Launchify 360 by Dr. BANWO. Watching Launchify 360 is like watching Game of Thrones. Each episode gets interesting. I stay glued to my laptop for more than 2 hours watching Launchify 360 because I can't just stand up. Everything just start making sense to me. The pieces, the puzzle that seems no clear now seems clear to me. Not even seems clear to me 100% totally. Now, after watching Launchify 360, I can now say yes, I'm ready. I'm equipped. I can now launch my own digital product. I can now come up with a winning digital product. And thanks to Dr. BANWO for sharing the in-depth knowledge in Launchify 360. Yes, Dr. BANWO is a man of his word. And I say, love you for this. God bless you. Thank you.